Check. Okay. Good afternoon. May nga po natong tanan.
Video na, video.
Dili akong pare. Bitaw, si tawagan eh, si Coach Jade o si Coach, silang ka na mag-coach sa staff sila sila nagpatanaan. Mag-welcome address na Coach mo, mag-welcome. O, kabaw sa address na rin. Bitaw, Joe. Wadyo kabaw sa akong buhaton because this is the first venture sa MMPAA na naatay MMPAA second branch diri sa Cebu province. So nalipay kay ko na naay ning offer o naay ning open of door para matuman na po ang akong mas matuman pa dyan akong dream, atong dream tanan. Before I move on, ganaan kay ko mo pasalamat, special thanks to the parents, my loyal, ever loyal parents na naadiri karon, and their visitors. Can you please give them a round of applause, please? Sila, ako nailahan kay Mamang Kiona o Papang Kiona, Mamang Lian, mga nana, ako nailahan ha.
Ma'am, this is me.
Joanna ba to? Joanna. This is me sa Facebook radyon ko makaila sa inyong mga si Ma'am Rose katong lola ni John Dave. Among kalain na di ko kainumdum sa iyo man, tigbuwang na dyan ko, naong rin gabata na ako, 50 na ko anyos. To coaches and staff, thank you very much for making this, making all my dreams come true. This is part of my dream, and I know that this is the beginning. We will never stop, and that for as long as you are here, MMP will always be at your service. Thank you very much, and welcome sa MMPA Talisay to Mrs. Soma. Thank you very much for giving us this opportunity to expand here in Cebu. Soon, we will be more surprises from MMPAA. Dili lang ako siya tason, basta taghan patag surprises sa MMPAA. And hopefully you will enjoy the whole day. And thank you God for giving me this opportunity to share the talent. Akong na talent na na-acquire na gihatag ng mo sa kuan na share po na ko sa uban. Thank you very much. Welcome sa MMPAA Talisay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Coach Josh. And I would like to offer this song, Flashlight. Cause you're my flashlight. Cause you're my flashlight. Cause you're my flashlight. Oh, I see the shadows long beneath the mountain top. I'm not afraid when the rain won't stop. Cause you light the way. You light the way. You light the way. You're my flashlight, light, 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 light. Oh. Set my heart in the center of my eyes. Thank you. Let us call up Madam Juvie and Madam Divi and Coach Josh to cut the ribbon.